or x plus 1 x minus 1 equal m plus 1 plus third root m minus 1 plus 3 root m minus 3 m minus 1 over m plus 1 plus 3m minus 1 minus third root m plus 1 plus third root m minus 1 or x plus 1 x minus 1 equal to 3m plus 1 over m minus 1. Taking q bs x plus 1 cube x minus 1 cube equal 3m plus 1 m minus 1 or x cube plus 3 x square into 1 plus 1 3 x into 1 cube plus 1 cube x cube minus 3 x square into 1 plus 3 x into 1 minus 1 cube equal m plus 1 over m minus 1. Whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube and a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Or x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 over x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal m plus 1 over m minus 1. or x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 over x cube plus 3x plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1 equal m plus 1 plus m minus 1 over m plus 1 minus m plus 1. Here 3x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 3x minus 3x plus or 2x cube plus 6x over x cube 6x square plus 2 equal 2m over 2 or 2x cube plus 3x 2 into 3x square plus 1 equal m or x cube plus 3x over 3x square plus 1 equal m or x cube plus 3x equal 3m x square plus m or x cube minus 3m x square plus 3x minus m equal 0. Thank you. Subscribe this channel. এখন